Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now for those of you that are new here, I've had some new arrivals in the last 3 weeks and this is one of them. This is Harry. And he likes to jump. Reminds me of William.
Here.
And there's Boffers. You all know Boffers. This is Frodo. Frodo's blind. He's gradually filling out again.
Dipper.
He was
Come on,
ill
Dipper. Mona.
beginning of the year. And I was worried because the virus had killed so many of them. The same with Dipper. Dipper was ill as well. But the pair of them are slowly picking up again. Now this is Keira. Keira's new.
Mona.
She came with Harry.
Mona. William.
Frodo is slowly getting used to the babies. The only problem I've got at the moment is Podge. She's not so welcoming. I don't know what set Frodo off then. I think it must have been the camera. There was nothing else there. Now the cat coming in at the top of the picture is William. He's the original blinder. I call him Top Cat because he rules the roost. Even some of the other cats will stay away from him. Now he's not fussed about the babies either. They sniff everything, which is good. This is the start of a process. It will take months, whereby they'll only come into the garden when I'm there, not on their own. And they will get to know the smells, the fence, the wall, the obstacles. And it can take months, but at the end of it they will run and play in the garden, sleep in the garden, and it's worth it. Doesn't matter how many times William goes into the garden, it's like every time is the first time. That's Woody. And that's himself having some TLC. He does love a tickle tummy. And Keira, she's up on a rock. Frodo is never any trouble. He's happy in his garden. He never comes out walking with us. He just likes to amble around he knows the garden inside out, and he's got a place that he goes. It's on the other side of the fence. I might not see him all day. There's Mona, she's number 3 newbie. And coming up behind her is Podgy. And Podgy's being spiteful.
Mona.
Podgy's now getting up onto the roof, of the wood store roof, and she ambushes the other cats as they come in for food. I'm hoping it's just the heat with her, but I don't know. So I went and got Mona. She would have been scared. Mona and Harry are the most confident. Keira's a little bit more reserved. She has her moments out on the terrace, but these two are... they're more lively.
Mona. Mona.
There's Frodo again. And that big white mass behind him was their cushions, which one of them's obviously ripped open. And there's Dipper. Frodo will be going through the hole in the fence soon, and he'll get into the long grass, and I probably won't see him for the rest of the day. So I hope you've enjoyed this latest video, and we will all see you again soon.